Hi everyone. In this video, let's talk about the difference between Terraform State and Backend. Right. So Terraform State, think about it as a state or a condition of your existing infrastructure. So what is it actually? It is a file or your document about the infrastructure you have provisioned in your provider, in your cloud provider, let's say AWS. Okay. What does it use for? We use it to track any changes, okay, that you want your Terraform to apply. What is the backend itself? The backend is where we store your Terraform state, okay. So where to store them? You can store it on your local machine. We call it your local state, okay, or your local backend. You can store it on your remote backend if you are leveraging on AWS as your provider. You can store it S3. Okay. If you are leveraging in Azure, you can store it in Azure Blob. You can store it in Terraform itself for Terraform Cloud. So remember, Terraform State is the actual document, okay, or the files, and we store that in the backend. Okay, what is the state used for? It's used to track your desired state to your current state. Current state is the resource you have provisioned. Desired state is your Terraform code. Comparing them, you use your state. As the name implies, state is your condition. All right. I hope this helped. See you in the next video.